I want to talk about forgiveness. Learn to forgive. For you to forgive, it's not for them. When you forgive, you're not doing it for them. You are doing it for you. Because God can no longer forgive you if you don't forgive. Evict people away from your heart in order for you to be blessed. Yani msamaha ni kwa faida yako, sio kwa faida ya wale unaowasamehe. That's why it is very important to forgive in life. Yes, it's not easy to forgive, lakini it's more dangerous not to forgive. Kwa sababu kuna vitu haviwezi kufanyika kwenye maisha yako kwa sababu huwezi kusamehe. So kusamehe kufanya wewe kuonekana mpumbavu. Forgiving does not make you look weak or stupid. Forgiving, it's actually telling God that, Father, I want you to intervene in this situation. I want you to take cover in this situation that I'm going through. Are you getting what I'm telling you?